Rattles Travel Gossip Tea, Tuesday, July 29, 2025. Opening brief. Hey, what's poppin' fam? It's your girl Rattles, best in Travel Channel hosting, here to bring Tuesday's travel tea hotter than Greek beaches in July. Let's get right into it. First brief. Rail tracks lookin' like spaghetti, flamin' hot train delays. Location, Central Florida / Sunrail. Business Insider says Sun Kings, FL heat got the rails bending like overcooked pasta, so Sunrail delayed trains 1015 minute across the board. Shit, the tracks done melted faster than popsicles in ATL summer. People out here trying to catch trains while rails do the cha-cha. Stay hydrated fam. Second brief. Europe vacation became an oven, mid-40s degrees C and closed sides. Family took their kids to southern Europe, Acropolis closed cause it felt like Satan's backyard. Temps soared past 45 degrees Celsius, stress on Max tour operator Intrepid shifted trips to spring/autumn instead. Y'all booked Europe like it was cool, but it cookin' hot shit. Acropolis shut down, kids crying, parents sweating like lost gym membership. Shoulder season is the move. Third brief. Chantal remix, tropical storm causes travel chaos in Carolinas. Date, tropical storm Chantal made landfall July 6th, flash floods and tornadoes rolled through Carolinas and mid-Atlantic, Amtrak routes shut down, roads washed, power out. Travelers stranded weeks later. Chantal came through like fam who don't apologize, ruined roads, flooded tracks, flights cancelled, I-85 looked like history for real. If your trip involves North Carolina, hold up. Wildcard brief. Man fakes being pilot to skip TSA line, then orders cockpit coffee like he owns the plane. So let me tell y'all what this grown man did. This 33-year-old dude shows up in a full pilot costume, like he came straight from Party City's Captain Fly High aisle, and walks past the TSA pre-check line like he late for takeoff. Security ain't say a thing cause he had the hat, the stripes, and the little wing pin clipped on his chest like it was Southwest training day. Next thing you know, brah walking through the jetway asking the flight crew, where's my coffee, and starts making flight jokes like, let's keep it at 35,000 folks. Shit, the real pilot comes from the terminal bathroom like, who is this dude? Turns out this man never worked for any airline. He just wanted to skip TSA, drink cockpit coffee, and feel important for the day. He was escorted off calmly, no cuffs, but banned from flying United forever. Sir. Be for real. You out here cosplaying a whole pilot to dodge the security line like we ain't got Wi-Fi and patience. He said, I'm not a passenger, I'm the experience. Your mama shoulda hooped you harder. Coffee. Coffee. You risking a federal charges for decoff. Travel tip of the day. When the tracks start dancing and storms rolling in, don't bet on it. Delay your trip or pivot to cooler scenes. Fourth brief. US tourist arrivals crossmark, Europe. Everyone ditching the US, headed to Europe's less heatwave drama. If you're not booking castles in Scotland, stay home. Fifth brief. New airline app only check-in fees. Airlines sneaky like X, charge you for everything now, even sitting there. Download the app or pay up baby. Sixth brief. Marseille airport shut amid wildfire smoke. France airport closed, cause smoke looked like barbecue gone wrong, flights cancelled, folks rerouted. Jet lag and ash vibes. Closing brief. For deals smoother than a wet runway, fly on over to breathtakinglagoon.com, one click, no cap. Stay booked, stay blessed, and keep your season flexible like Florida rails in cook mode. Peace.